Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to remove a reposted TikTok. If you've come across a reposted TikTok video that you'd like to remove from your profile, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok feed and find the reposted video. Tap on the arrow icon located to the right of the video. This will bring up a menu with various options. Step 3. Tap on Remove Post from the menu. A confirmation message will appear on the screen. Step 4. To confirm the removal, tap on OK in the confirmation message. The reposted TikTok will be removed from your profile. By following these steps, you can easily remove a reposted TikTok and ensure that your profile only showcases the content you have originally posted. This feature allows you to maintain control over your content and brand representation. Please note that removing a reposted TikTok only removes it from your profile. It may still be visible on other users' profiles or elsewhere on the platform. If you find that a reposted TikTok violates copyright or community guidelines, consider reporting it to TikTok for further action. Thank you for watching, and enjoy managing your TikTok content with ease.